In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business plan in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right template and how to get it onto a board so you can start outlining your strategy fast. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com. If you land on a dashboard, you're in the right place. You may be asked to log in. That's normal if you're accessing your boards and template library. Miro is a visual workspace, so everything we do will end up on a board you can zoom, pan, and edit with your team. From the dashboard, look for the option labeled Explore Templates. This opens Miro's template library, which is designed to save you time by providing ready-made structures for common workflows. It's much easier to start with a framework than to build a business plan from scratch, and you can customize everything later to fit your brand and goals. Inside the template library, use the search bar and type business plan. You'll see a range of options appear. Some are created by Miro, while others come from the community. Take a moment to preview a couple. Previewing helps you confirm that the layout matches your needs, whether you're looking for a lean canvas style or a comprehensive section-by-section plan. Look for clear headings, logical flow, and space for essentials like the executive summary, market analysis, value proposition, go-to-market, and financial projections. Once you've found the business plan template you like, select it and click Use. Miro will ask where to place it, usually on a new board in your current workspace. After it opens, give the template a quick scan. You'll notice pre-built sections, text areas, and shapes that guide you through each part of the plan. You can click any text to rewrite it, duplicate sections you need more of, or remove parts that aren't relevant. A few tips to get the most from your template. Use zoom controls to focus on one section at a time. This keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. If the template includes frames, they act like pages, which makes presenting and exporting easier. Keep notes directly on sticky notes or callouts so you can separate research from final copy. If you're working with others, comments and cursors help you align in real time without losing track of changes. That's it. You've brought a complete business plan framework into Miro, and you're ready to tailor it to your business. Save your progress as you go, and build momentum by filling out one section at a time.